Hey there everyone, in this video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Motorola Moto G6 Play. Hello everyone, welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials, so if you're new to the channel I welcome you to subscribe. Alright, let's go right to the video now. So here we have the front of the box. This one is from Boost Mobile. It is the Motorola Moto G6 Play version. And here on the front of the box we just have some basic information of the phone. Here on the back we're going to have what it includes and some basic specs of the phone as well right here on this side. Some terms and conditions on the bottom. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. And here we go, let's get it out of the box now. And looks like we have another box inside the Boost Mobile box. So this one here says Moto G6 Play. This is the Motorola box from Lenovo. So let's open this one up as well. And here we have the front of the phone. So very nice looking phone here for the price. Very nice size, very nice feel to it. Has a glass-like back cover, although it is not glass, it's plastic. So let's see what else we have here. The micro USB cable. We have the wall plug travel charger. We have the SIM ejector tool here. Legal and safety regulations. And looks like it comes with a clear case here as well. So nice little feature here that they include a case with the phone. Let's go ahead and remove the plastic off the screen here. So here at the top of the screen we have the front facing camera, the ear speaker, and it looks like we have a flash for the front camera as well. Here on the bottom we have the Motorola logo. Here on the bottom of the phone we have the microphone input hole, and we have the charger port right next to it. Here on this side, we're going to have the power button and the volume rocker buttons. Here on the top, we're going to have a 3.5mm headphone jack. Here on this side, we're going to have the SIM ejector tray. Here on the back, we have the main camera with flash right under it. We have the Motorola logo, which is also a fingerprint scanner. And here at the bottom, we're going to have the model number of the phone. Let's go ahead and get this baby set up. So here we have it, finally on. The screen feels very smooth, very high quality screen for an inexpensive phone. The touch is very smooth on it. Very good feedback. If you swipe down, we have the settings, and if you swipe down again, we have the full settings. Here we have the brightness of the phone. It can get very dim and super bright as well. Let's go ahead and check out the dial pad. So here we have the dial pad on the Moto G6 Play. Let's go ahead and check out the messages keyboard now. And here we have the keyboard. So very smooth feeling keyboard here. Feels very nice with a nice size screen to it as well. So let's go ahead and check out the camera feature. And so here we have the zoom in. So as you can see, it zooms in quite a lot, and the picture still looks very clearly while zoomed in all the way. Here's the selfie mode. Very nice front selfie camera. Let's flip it back. So here we have like a brightness option where we can lower or increase the brightness of the picture. So here we have the video camera. So it gives it a full screen view of the video recording. Here we have HDR, here we have flash, and we have a timer as well. If you tap and hold on the screen, it gives you the ability to customize your wallpapers and widgets. Here are some of the widgets that you can choose from. Let's go ahead and look at the wallpapers that come with this Moto G6. So it looks like here we have quite a nice variety of different types of wallpapers that we can choose from. So if we select on a certain file type, it gives us a lot of wallpapers in that category. And it has a ton of wallpapers to choose from in each category. So very nice feature here. I love how this phone comes with so many high definition wallpapers to choose from. So let's go ahead and open up YouTube so that we can test the video and audio quality of the device. So let's open up one of our videos. Hey there everyone, hope you're doing great. In this video we're going to be going over 15 tips and tricks for your Apple Watch 3. Number 1. So you can view the Apple Watch just by flipping your wrist. Once it's off, flip your wrist and it lights up. To turn it off, just tap it with your palm and it will shut off. Number 2. So you can view notifications or you can set to hide them for more privacy. So for example, this is just WhatsApp. I'm going to set it up here to hide the notification. You're going to open up the Apple Watch app on your phone, go to notifications, and here enable notification privacy. So now when we receive messages, it's going to show just the app icon and it's going to hide the message. Alright everyone, so that was just a quick unboxing and review video of the Motorola Moto G6 Play. Alright everyone, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it helped you out. If it did, please give it a like. It really helps the channel out a lot. So that's it for now. I'll see you around in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.